So while this is running, we're going to go back over here to the design tool, and we are going to create a new scenario. So we have mobile survey, which is our first scenario. We're going to add in a second scenario. This is going to be reforested. And so we're going to start with our, this isn't going to be one that we're going to go out and collect any data on. So we're going to go ahead and just call it desktop survey. And we're not even going to bring over any of the previous survey units. You could, in theory, if you wanted to, choose to bring over all the survey units and all of their data from the previous design that we did. But in this case, we're just going to create one big survey unit that is going to be the a reforested survey unit. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And we'll close this. And now you can see that we're in the reforested scenario, and we are ready to start drawing new survey units. In this case, I'm going to go in. I'm going to call this reforested area. We're going to go here, and we're just going to go through and fill the entire site with forest. We're going to hit save and then open up the survey form, and I'll fast forward through this, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to fill out this survey for a forest. Okay, now that we've gone through and filled out the survey unit answers in the survey form, you can see that we've got this 100% filled out for this reforested scenario. We can go up here to the reporting tab again, and we'll see that we have this reforested scenario show up here, and it is also ready for us to click and begin the analysis. So now that we've selected that, we can also go up here, turn on the mobile survey and the reforested survey, so that we can do a comparison between the two of them. So now that we've gone through and we've created this, these two scenarios, we've run the models for each, and you can see that the overall level of performance for each of these metrics has changed. And so our initial starting air quality survey service was around 20%. Now it's up to around 94% because we've just crammed it full of trees in that reforested survey scenario. And then we've also got the carbon sequestration here, which has gone from 12% up to 62% based on the attributes that we put in. We could go back in and we could adjust those attributes and try to figure out what the best way would be to achieve the best levels of performance. But this allows you to go down through and see, okay, we've made these changes, and those have actually had noticeable impacts on the overall level of performance.